रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ.
Okay, fine. I
कितना
will narrate
time
it in Hindi.
How much time it was taken when you recorded it?
4 minutes and 11 seconds.
Okay. Then
But
go
it was
with
a couple of months back because still there is some issue with my YouTube. So I have just forwarded that video to you, which was which I did 2 months back. Okay, so I'm coming back to the story of the same video. My language will be Hindi. Good evening all. आज मैं आपके सामने एक दिल दहलाने वाली कथा प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ और यह सत्य कथा है. एक लड़का और उसके माता पिता ट्रेन से सफर कर रहे थे. वो जा रहे थे कल्याण से CST की तरफ, यानी मुंबई छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस की तरफ. और ट्रेन से सफर उनका चल रहा था. जैसे ही वो ट्रेन में बैठ गए तो उनका सफर चालू हुआ और उनका बच्चा सिर्फ 19 साल का था और वो बहुत ही मजे ले रहा था. अब ट्रेन में सफर कर रहे थे माता पिता और उनका वो बच्चा 19 साल का. तो माता पिता भी बच्चे के खुशी में शरीक हो रहे थे और वो भी उसके साथ बहुत खुश हो रहे थे. जैसे ही ट्रेन एक स्टेशन क्रॉस करके दूसरे स्टेशन की तरफ जा रही थी, बच्चा चिल्ला उठता था, वो देखो झाड़, वो देखो झाड़. वो अपने माता पिता को ये दिखाना चाहता था कि वो झाड़ देख के, वो वृक्ष देख के उसे बहुत खुशी हो रही थी. तो माता पिता भी उसकी खुशी में शामिल हुए थे और वो भी हंसने लगे और बच्चा भी हंसता था. 19 साल का बच्चा था लेकिन उसकी सोच देखो, उसकी सोच एक छोटे बच्चे की तरह थी. वो ये एक युवक था 19 साल का बेसिकली, लेकिन उसकी सोच एक बच्चे की तरह थी. तो जैसे ही ट्रेन आगे का सफर तय करने लगी एक स्टेशन से दूसरे स्टेशन की तरफ, वैसे फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद वो बच्चा फिर से खुशी के मारे चिल्लाया, वो देखो आदमी लोग जा रहे हैं बाहर से, वो लोग आदमी लोग जा रहे थे. और ये माता पिता और वो बच्चा ट्रेन के बहुत ही यानी जो विंडो होती है उसके नजदीक ही बैठे थे ताकि बाहर का जो भी नजारा है वो दिखाई दे. तो जैसे ही ट्रेन एक स्टेशन से दूसरे स्टेशन की तरफ जा रही थी और बीच में कुछ अगर उस बच्चे को दिखाई दे पड़ता था तो वो खुशी के मारे झूम उठता था. तो दूसरी बार जब उसने देखा कि कोई लोग वहां से जा रहे हैं तो फिर से उसने वो चिल्ला कर बोला, खुशी के मारे वो चिल्ला रहा था कि वो देखो कोई जा रहा है वहां से. फिर से उसके माता पिता ने उसके हंसी में हंसी भर दी और उसे और भी बढ़ावा दिया. ये देखते समय सामने वाले जो सीट पे जो सज्जन बैठे थे उन्हें बहुत ही ताज्जुब लग रहा था कि ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, ये बच्चा ऐसा बार बार खुशी के मारे क्यों चिल्ला रहा है. और ये इतना, अभी ये तो युवक है, बच्चा तो लगता नहीं है लेकिन ये तो युवक है लेकिन बच्चे के जैसा बर्ताव कर रहा है, ऐसा क्यों है ये. और कभी इसने वृक्ष देखा नहीं है, कभी इसने लोगों को बाहर से जाते हुए इन्हें और बाहर का नज़ारा देखा नहीं है, लोग यहाँ से वहाँ जा रहे हैं, इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है, इसमें आश्चर्य करने की क्या बात है. तो उनसे रहा नहीं गया और उन्होंने उस नवयुवक के माता पिता से पूछा, ये ऐसा क्यों करता है, या इसने कभी ये ऐसे देखा नहीं है क्या, ऐसे नज़ारे. तभी उसके माता पिता ने वो सामने वाले सज्जन को कहा कि जी हाँ, ये सब कुछ पहली बार देख रहा है क्योंकि आज ही उसके आंखों का ऑपरेशन हुआ है. He is seeing the world for the first time. तो ये कथा का तात्पर्य ये है, सच्चाई जानने से पहले ही जो सामने वाले जो सज्जन बैठे थे वो उसके ऊपर हंस रहे थे कि ये ऐसा क्या बच्चा है, एक बार किया ठीक है, 2 बार किया ठीक है, लेकिन बार बार ये बच्चा हंस रहा है और जो भी सामान्य चीजें दिखाई दे रही थी उसके ऊपर भी हंसा जा रहा है. तो उन्होंने उसके ऊपर टिप्पणियां की. उस सज्जन ने अपने बीवी से कहा, देखो ये कैसे पागल की तरह उछल कूद रहा है और अभी ये तो नवयुवक जवान है तो भी ये बच्चे जैसी बचकाना हरकतें कर रहा है. और उन्होंने उसके ऊपर टिप्पणियां करनी शुरू कर दी अपनी श्रीमती के साथ. लेकिन उन्हें जब वास्तव का ये उन्हें पता चला कि उसकी आंखों का ऑपरेशन हुआ है और वो पहली बार ये सब नज़ारे देख रहा है तो उनके पैरों तले जमीन खिसक गई। उन्हें अपने बर्ताव पे शर्मिंदगी महसूस हुई। तो कहानी का तात्पर्य यही सीख देती है, ये है कि किसी के भी व्यक्तिगत जीवन को बगैर जाने बिना कोई भी टिप्पणी या कोई भी आलोचना नहीं करनी चाहिए। थैंक यू दोस्तों सुनने के लिए। थैंक यू।
वेरी गुड, क्लैप फॉर प्रसाद सर। बहुत अच्छी कहानी थी सर। मुझे पहले से पता थी, लेकिन फिर भी आपने काफी उसमें क्यूरियोसिटी जनरेट करने की कोशिश की और काफी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया। इसको आप और भी थोड़ा सा ह्यूमर ऐड करके या फिर और थोड़ा सा क्यूरियोसिटी ऐड करके और अच्छा बना सकते हैं एंड मॉरल में और क्लैरिटी ला सकते हैं। मीन्स नेवर बी जजमेंटल काइंड ऑफ थिंग नो। हम बहुत बार क्या बोलते हैं उसको, बुक के कवर पेज से बुक को जज करते हैं, वो एक कहावत है। तो उस टाइप का जजमेंटल एटीट्यूड जनरली हम जो रखते हैं वो ना रखे और बिना पहचाने बिना जाने इस टाइप का कोई ओपिनियन फाइनलाइज ना करे। तो बहुत ही अच्छा मॉरल आपने दिया है स्टोरी का। वंडरफुल स्टोरी, रियली लाइक इट वेरी वेल। ओके, एनीवन एल्स वांट टू डू स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशन टुडे? कोई और करना चाहता है स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशन? या थैंक यू सर। कोई और करना चाहते हैं तो बताइए,
मैम,
अदरवाइज
yes,
विल
ma'am.
स्टार्ट।
Yeah, this is Karthik, मैम।
कार्तिक आप पहुंच गए?
नहीं मैम, नहीं मैम, और 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा मैम, बस जा रहा हूँ मैं।
अच्छा, तो आप करने वाले हैं स्टोरी टेलिंग?
जी जी मैम।
ठीक है, जोश सर करना चाहते हैं आप? गुड इवनिंग, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, 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 fine.
You
What is
want to
going
tell the
on?
story? Yes sir.
What is going on here? Story, story, story.
Yes, yes. Actually, we were waiting for few more participants, so we started with the story, and later on we will start with yesterday's and today's session. Both we will cover today. So maybe it will take 1.5 hours. So you are having any session today, or you are available?
No, I'm free, I'm free.
Okay, okay. So you would like to share any story, sir?
Okay, small one. Last time I recorded one. I might have received that recorded one.
I have got few of the suggestions. I will share your recording with one of the judge. So I'll share her whatever she has shared, no? So
Okay.
all the suggestions, recommendations, I'll share with you. So if you would like to share the same story, you may.
Another story, I will try because some language problem is there. Okay, I will try. Okay, no
Oh,
problem.
okay, even same will do if you are not prepared. Otherwise, you
Malayalam, no. Malayalam very stories. I will try. Try. Okay, okay. Okay. Once, one young beggar was begging with his begging pot for his lunch, daily food. Then nobody is giving any penny for him because everybody is asking him, "You are very young. You go and hard work. You can earn money through hard working." Then he was replied, this pot is my father, grandfather's, our family pot is this one. So I couldn't leave this one. Then he again he's going for begging. He's begging. Nobody's here. Last one sannyasi, one Swamiji. Swamiji told, "Oh, I have nothing. You just show me the pot." And he took one strong stone and rubbed it. Then it was a diamond plate was it. So actually, after selling this, he was a crorepati because it was a diamond pot. Every human being, inside there is unlimited power. Every diamond is inside. But lack of knowledge, lack of hard working, laziness, nobody's find out the diamond inside. So actually this workshop also, this sharpening or every seminar, every the class is find out the diamond inside the human being. Okay, find out the diamond inside. Thank you, thank you.
Well done, very well. Very good, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So finding your own potential, actually, we always just forget, and that's why we keep on doing same thing, whichever we used to, and we don't know our own potential. So it happens many of the time. Even you might have heard that story of Gautam Buddha. I think I am a winner program. Within that program, I was told that story, wherein that golden Buddha was covered with complete clay, mud. And then for the centuries together, no one was knowing actually there is gold inside, and golden Buddha was there. So one day actually come out. So in the similar way, this is also there. So in Power of Subconscious Mind, generally we use such kind of stories wherein we need to understand ourselves, and we need to understand our own strength and potential. So very good, and moral of the story was also very good. So thank you very much for your performance, sir.
Okay. Madam, I am wondering that many people join the class.
Right.
But nobody will be, last class also, I think, or winner class, many class, the same is repeating. Nobody is.
I don't know what is the problem. Actually, people on a particular time, they don't manage, or I don't know. They pay for the course, but they don't join live classes.
Nobody is coming for sessions.
Even they are not watching the recording also. I can see, I have shared the recording. Yeah. So I don't get any view. There are 0 views or 1 or 2 views. So even people are not going through recording also. So that is sad thing. Actually, we are doing a lot of work and so many things we are doing. Every day we have to set for the content development and everything we have to do, furnish it, find out the examples, so many things. Now you all know training is not easy. Actually, we have to take a lot of efforts whenever we have to train on something. Those people who are already so experienced and they know everything, and for them, if you would like to give the content, how much research we have to do. But even after so much research and giving good quality content and everything, but people are not actually turning up. So I really don't know what's stopping them to attend the sessions and all. But anyways, 3-4 people also we can do. That is not a problem. At least you people can perform. That is what I want is, because public speaking is something we have to get interact and we have to perform ourselves. Then and then only we could actually work on our public speaking skills. By just watching things or reading out the material, we can't actually furnish our public speaking skills. That is what is the most important aspect of public speaking.
Swimming in online.
Streaming online. So now we are at the conclusion stage. Only today and one more session is there, but still I'll give additional one bonus session, wherein today we will see yesterday's and today's thing. So yesterday we have seen how to connect with the audience, and today's topic was how to conduct a virtual meeting. Then one more topic we will conduct, that is how to handle question answer session. And then the last topic will be monetization of public speaking. Means now you have learned the skill, public speaking skill. Now how to monetize it, like how to earn money out of it. So that thing we will be bonus for this particular session. So of course, means tomorrow, though it's Saturday, but I'll try. If at all it is possible, I'll share tomorrow's session, because again, Saturday, Sunday holiday. Then Monday I have to share, no, Monday, Tuesday. So 2-3 days again it will extend unnecessarily. So I'll try to finish it within this week itself. So these 2-3 sessions I'll post very soon. So Karthik, have you reached to your home now? You are settled down? Karthik sir, you're there? Namrata ji, you'd like to perform? Storytelling.
Our first classes, you remember, NLP, life coach, huge participations are there now, sharing and all, very interesting. Yeah. It was very interesting.
So previous batches, they were actually enthusiastic and they were doing discussions also very nicely. Nowadays, actually, so many trainers have come, so many courses they are giving. So might be people have lose interest. Even many people, my voice is clear, no? Yeah. Okay, my internet connection is showing unstable. So actually, maybe because nowadays everyone is giving such kind of classes, even 99 rupees people are giving classes. So I don't know in 99 rupees how much value they are providing, but still actually expectation of people are huge. and even after paying amount, they are not attending classes or not, they are not going through it. So I need to now find out what is the problem, why people are not attending classes, or why they are not going through the material, whether they are not finding value within that, or what is happening. So it's actually a topic of research. If anyone is having any kind of student who would like to do the research, this is the good topic for the research in human HR, human resources. So ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रिसर्च का टॉपिक है कि क्यों ऐसे होता है. इवन हम जो लाइव सेशंस देते हैं जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, मतलब जिसका वैल्यू बहुत बड़ा है, पहले हम जैसे हेल्थ चेकअप करते थे, इसका बिजनेस हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप्स एंड ऑल, तो even I paid so much of money for that, for my business checkup. I was actually paid for half an hour session. I was paid 3,000-4,000 rupees. But now we are giving people, offering people free of cost business checkup camp and all. But people are not turning up. So I don't understand actually what is the problem. But yeah, there is a very huge gap nowadays in all these kind of sessions. But anyways, yes, sir.
Students are started, Swadi, many, I think, started training now. The Swadi, Polsar, many, I think, started training.
Many people, even those who have done courses from us now, so even they have started their own courses. So even in the train the trainer batch, actually we have done so many train the trainer batches initially 2-3 years back. So after that train the trainer, so many of our students actually sell our courses. Those who have purchased from us, they sell our courses, and that's how actually they have lose the value, or I don't know what they have done, but it's happening. So this is what is the truth. Anyways, before just like we'll move ahead to our regular session. So Karthik, if you are settled down, you may continue with your story. Have you settled down? Have you reached? Yes or no? Karthik, you're there?
The screen has frozen, I think.
I think so. नम्रता जी, आप ready हैं? आप करने वाले हैं कुछ?
ठीक है, try करती हूँ.
कोशिश कर सकते हैं.
Actually, I had done the recording, but I forgot to send it to you.
Okay, no problem.
Video बनाया था.
सब लोग देखेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll start.
Ma'am, I'm ready.
अभी नम्रता जी कर लेंगे. आप तब तक settle हो जाइए, ठीक है?
This is a very short story only. Good evening, friends. Today I'm going to share a story of the sun and the cave. Cave मतलब आपको सबको मालूम होगा, गुफा. एक दिन सन एंड द केव के बीच में कन्वर्सेशन हुआ. सन वाज टेलिंग द केव that what it is to live in your place, like how it looks like. I want to feel the thing. So cave told, even I want to see how in your world it seems like. So they both discussed, and they thought, let us change the places. We'll visit each other and see how it looks like. So the cave went to the sun's place, and the cave was surprised. Such a bright lights is there, and there's brightness everywhere, and all happiness and everything is there. So cave told the sun, you live in really good place. The sun told, yeah, this is the place where I live. So now I will come to your place now. Then the sun went to the cave, and cave there also the sun saw the brightness. So the sun told the cave, here also there is a brightness. I don't see anything. The cave told, how come? It is dark everywhere. It is all dirty, and there's everywhere mess or negativity in that. So the sun told, no, I can see lightness because I have carried with me the lightness of my place, and I can feel, and I can feel the light in this. So then the cave told the sun, yeah, when you carry your light with you, you can see the lightness. So the moral of the story is that if you have inside you the darkness or negativity or fear, you will see that everywhere. But if you carry your light, your brightness everywhere, you can feel the lightness and the positivity or fear, confidence and all that in there. So this was the moral of the story. Very short story.
Very nice. Wonderful story. I love this story. Even I know this story very well. So really wonderfully you have narrated, and wonderful moral. So very nice.
Actually, for me, the problem is I forget the matter in between, I know the full story actually. There is many things in between still. but I forget the matter in that. That's the main problem with me.
नो प्रॉब्लम, थोड़ा सा ही है, थोड़ा सा मतलब एक्सप्लेनेशन उसका डिटेलिंग है कि जब सन जाता है तो उसको वही सारी चीजें दिखती है जो शायद कहीं गुफा ने नहीं देखी है, क्योंकि गुफा तो हमेशा डार्क में रहती है ना, लेकिन सन ने वो माइन्यूट डिटेल्स को भी कैप्चर कर लिया बिकॉज सन वाज लाइटेड एंड ही हैज डन एक्चुअली दैट केव वाज एनलाइटेड विद हिज प्रेजेंस. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एक्चुअली दैट इज मोर और लेस एडिशंस व्हिच आर द डिटेलिंग पार्ट, बट या यू हैव कवर एवरीथिंग. So it was nicely narrated. Thank you.
ये आपको वीडियो में भेजेगी. इन दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल, मोर
ठीक है, वो देख लेती हूँ, है ना, वीडियो देख लेती हूँ, उसके बेसिस पे अगर कुछ रिकमेंडेशंस है तो आई विल सजेस्ट.
या
ओके, थैंक यू. Yes, Karthik, finally you are there. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
I think it got hanged and then I just logged in with other device, ma'am.
Okay. Audible, visible. You will start.
Good evening, everyone. This is Karthik.
Karthik, some network issue. Your internet is unstable, I guess.
Just exactly. I just got it. Yeah, I'm back, ma'am.
Please start now.
Hello, good evening, everyone. This is Karthik. There used to be a very honest and very calm businessman in a village. And what happens is he was so aspiring to achieve in his life. So he decides to travel. And then what happens is he finds a village that he reaches. And there was a king who he hardly got a chance to meet. And finally he gets succeed. And then while meeting the king, he says, have a very precious thing from our village, which you do not get it here. And the king surprisingly asks him that if at all I do like it, then I will be giving you the most expensive thing in return. And if at all I didn't find it so interesting or surprising or expensive, then you will be put to death. So accepting for the challenge, the businessman says and agrees to the king. And what happens is he opens a bag full of onions. At that village, they doesn't use onion. They do not get onions there. And the king surprises the businessman and he provides a box full of gold in return of the bag of onion. And the businessman returns to the other friends. The businessman will be asking him, what have you done? How have you got such a box full of gold? So he will be replying that what has happened in that village by returning a box full of gold in return of a bag full of onions. So there was another his friend, maybe we can name it as Chunnu, and he was so aspiring to achieve in his life. So what he plans is to make a same action of his friend, and he takes a bag of onion and goes finds same village there and meets the king with all pressure and pain. And what happens is the same statement the king puts to him, that if at all I find it so interesting, I'll be giving you the most expensive thing in return for you. And if at all I don't find it so interesting or very valuable for me, you will be put to death. And what happens is, so he opens up and he will be giving a bag full of garlic. So what happens is in that village they do produce garlic, and the king was so disappointed and he does not find it so interesting or precious. So he will be like so bad. He will be like not in good terms. But suddenly he wishes to choose for the next option. So he will also having the bag of onion. So he will be offering a bag of onions, and the king will be saying that, oh, we do have another very precious thing in return. So he returns back the same bag which he got yesterday. And this businessman, the second businessman, will be disappointed that until yesterday the gold was precious thing for that kingdom, for that king. In return of the onion, he was giving a box full of gold. But today the box full of gold was exchanged in return of onions. So that was so expensive for the king in return. So the second business was fooled by his actions. So the point here is we might act accordingly, but we might not copy the others. So the same thing which we copy may not suitable for all actions at all time. Thank you.
Very good. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moral of story was also nice, and you narrated it very nicely. I guess few network issues you are having, but still your narration was good, and how you have actually explained it was very well done. So next time, wherever you are, means this is what is informal thing, but at the formal settings, you just work on these network issues and few of the glitches, technical glitches. Otherwise, flow of the story was very nice. So thank you for your performance. Well
Yeah,
done.
ma'am. Wish to make it a properly, ma'am. I'll do it and send it to you, ma'am.
Okay, definitely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
So we have done with all the performances. Now let's move on. How many of you have gone through yesterday's session wherein I was shared few of the videos? Should we see one of the video? कोई विवेक सर का या फिर अमिताभ बच्चन का एक आधा वीडियो देख ले, तो मैं ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट कैसे करना है वो एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ, एंड देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू टुडेस टॉपिक. Please confirm. You can see to join Arvind Sood classes.
सर ने बोला
आवाज आ
था
रही है?
कि 3 दिन में
Is it audible and visible?
आपका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा, एंड इट्स रियली वेरी ट्रू कि 3 दिन के बाद मैं एग्जैक्टली बहुत ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फील कर रही हूँ.
I am with
गांधी एक बड़ा परिवर्तन क्यों लेके आए? उनको ट्रेन से पहले दर्जे की टिकट साउथ अफ्रीका से धक्का देके बाहर निकाल दिया. अंग्रेजों ने क्या बोला? तेरे को हक नहीं है पहली टिकट लेकर के पहले डब्बे में सफर करने का. गांधी ने बोला मेरे पास टिकट है. बोला तू नहीं बैठ सकता, बाहर निकल यहाँ से. गांधी ने क्या जवाब दिया? तुमने मुझे ट्रेन से निकाला, कम बैक टू माई कंट्री, आई शो यू. मैं तुम्हें पूरे देश से बाहर निकाल दूंगा. आदमी कभी भी इतिहास रचता है किसी चीज के कारण, एक बिलीफ सिस्टम के कारण. ये बिलीफ सिस्टम कमजोर भी हो सकता है, मजबूत भी हो सकता है. ये बिलीफ सिस्टम ऑर्डिनरी भी हो सकता है, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी भी हो सकता है. मेरी कौम जो बचपन से बहुत तकलीफों के साथ रही, एक लड़के को उसने नॉर्थ ईस्ट के एशियन गेम जीतते हुए देख लिया. उस दिन उसको जिद आ गई कि मैं खुद अपने स्टेट का नाम करूंगी. उस दिन उसको जिद आ गई, बहुत बड़ी हो चुकी थी, आज तक कभी बॉक्सिंग नहीं करी, लेकिन उसने कमाल कर दिया. लोग जब भी कमाल करते हैं किसी जिद के कारण करते हैं. ऑर्डिनरी मेंटालिटी के लोग ऑर्डिनरी जीवन बिता करके मर करके चले जाते हैं संसार से, उनको कोई नहीं पूछता. केवल 108 कोई हिंदुस्तानी जो भगत सिंह के बारे में ना जानता हो, उसके पिताजी ने बोला, उसकी माँ ने बोला, बेटे तेरी शादी तय हो गई है, तेरी शादी तय हो गई है. कानपुर चिट्ठी लिख करके भाग गए छोड़ के वहां से कि बेटे कि मैंने अपना ये शरीर आज अपने देश को दे दिया है. बहुत बड़े कारण के लिए एक लड़की को नहीं देना चाहता ये जीवन, पूरे देश को देना चाहता. आदमी, एक जिद्दी आदमी ही कोई बहुत बड़ा काम कर सकता है. उसके लिए चाहिए बिलीफ सिस्टम. जानते हैं कोई भी व्यक्ति आप देख लीजिए, चाहे लिंकन हो या गांधी हो या टेरेसा हो या बच्चन हो या मंडेला हो या कोई भी हो, हर आदमी के जीवन में बड़ा संघर्ष था, पर उसने एक काम किया, बाउंस बैक. If you don't help you to help yourself, nobody in the world can help you to help yourself. मलाला था यूसुफजाई, जो 12 साल की उम्र में वो लड़की को उसने क्या बोला, टीवी पे एक इंटरव्यू में बोल दिया, तालिबान की क्या औकात, हमारी लड़कियों की पढ़ाई को रुकवा दे, उनके पास अधिकार नहीं है, मैं पढ़ना चाहती हूँ, मैं पढ़ूंगी। और कुछ ही दिनों के बाद 2013 में क्या हुआ, एक आदमी बंदूक लेकर के तालिबानी उठा, बस को खोला, बस के अंदर घुस गया उसकी स्कूल की बस में और पूछा कौन है मलाला, वो बोली मैं हूँ मलाला, और 3 गोलियां मारी, उसके सर से निकल के फट के कंधे में आ गई। और छोड़, जानते हैं आप में से कई लोग होंगे जिनका 12 साल का बच्चा होगा, 12 साल के बच्चों को 3 गोलियों से मार दो, और उसने अपने आंदोलन को और तेज कर दिया। नोबेल पीस प्राइज, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड उसको मिला, उसी लड़की को, इतनी छोटी उम्र के अंदर। एक व्यक्ति इतिहास तभी रचता है जब वो जिद्दी हो जाता है। जिद को बड़ा करना चाहिए, अपनी जिद को बड़ा करो, अपनी जिद को पालो। जिस दिन इतनी हिम्मत आ गई, आप अपनी जिद को पाल के बड़ा कर गए, आपको सफलता के नए रास्ते मिल जाएंगे, और अगर नहीं मिले तो आप खुद नया रास्ता बना लेंगे।